Welcome back. In this lab, you're going to create a new user in Microsoft Entra ID using the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. However, before I hand the reins over to you, let's quickly walk through the lab steps you'll be completing. You'll begin the lab in the Entra Admin Center, where you'll select the identity dropdown, which is where you can manage most things that are identity related. Then you'll click on the Users dropdown to display a list of available user-specific options such as viewing, creating, deleting, and managing users. You'll then click on All Users to view the complete list of existing users within the directory. Next, you'll click on the New User dropdown to initiate the process of adding a new user. You'll then select the Create New User option. To define the unique username that the user will use to sign in to Entra ID, you'll click the User Principal name field. In this lab, your user's username will be M. Mitchell, so you'll type M. Mitchell into the field and press Enter. This will set the user's username, which is typically based on the individual's name or a standard company naming convention. You'll then select the appropriate UPN suffix by using the drop-down menu, choosing surfcityboats.com to assign the correct domain for the new user. After setting the UPN suffix, you'll click on the Display Name field to specify the full name that will be shown for this user. You'll type Mike Mitchell and press Enter to set the user's display name, ensuring proper identification in user lists and communications. After doing so, you'll click Next Properties to enter additional details about the new user. You'll input the user's first name by typing Mike and pressing Enter, ensuring the correct first name is recorded. In the last name field, you'll type Mitchell and press Enter to complete the user's full name in the system. You'll then specify the user's job title by typing HR Manager and pressing Enter to provide the user's specific role within the company. In the company name field, you'll specify Surf City Boats and press Enter. Next, you'll tell Entra ID that Mike works in the HR department by typing Human Resources in the department field. You'll then have to scroll down to access further settings for Mike's account. After scrolling down, you'll set the user's usage location by selecting United States from the drop-down list. You'll then click on Next Assignments. You won't add any roles or assignments in this lab, so you'll simply click on Review and Create to review the details you've entered. Finally, you'll click Create to add the new user to Entra ID with all the properties and settings you've configured.